In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your calendar from Yahoo Calendar to Google Calendar. Whether you're switching platforms or just need your appointments and events in sync, this walkthrough will guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and make the transition effortless for you. First, get started by opening your web browser and heading over to calendaryahoo.com. Ensure that you're signed into your Yahoo account, as this will give you access to your personal calendars. Once you're on the Yahoo Calendar page, look at the left-hand sidebar under My Calendars. Here you'll see a list of your calendars. Now find the specific calendar you wish to move and click on the Options icon, which appears as a down arrow next to the calendar's name. With the Options menu open, locate and click on Export. A prompt will appear and you'll need to click Export once again to proceed. This will create a downloadable file containing your calendar data. Take note that this file will typically download as a .ics file. However, if it happens to download as a zip file, you'll need to unzip it to access the .cs file inside. Congratulations, you now have your calendar data ready to move. If you have multiple Yahoo calendars that you wish to transfer, be sure to repeat these export steps for each individual calendar. This ensures every event and appointment makes its way over without a hitch. Now it's time to bring your calendar data into Google Calendar. Open a new tab and go to calendar.google.com. Once there, look for the Settings menu, which is represented by a cogwheel icon, and click on it. From the drop-down, select Settings. Within the Settings pane on the left-hand side, you'll find an option for Import and Export. Click on it and let's proceed to the next step. Under the Import section, you'll see a button to select file from your computer. Click on this button and navigate to the ICs file that you previously downloaded from Yahoo Calendar. If you wish to keep your Yahoo Calendar data separate, you might want to create a new calendar in Google first. This can help keep things organized. Once you've selected the appropriate .ics file, choose your target calendar from the drop-down menu and then click Import. Finally, take a moment to verify that your events have successfully been imported by checking your Google Calendar. Look through your upcoming events and ensure that all your important dates and meetings are safely transferred. And there you have it, a seamless transition from Yahoo Calendar to Google Calendar. With your events now readily accessible on Google, you're all set to continue scheduling with ease. Thanks for watching and happy planning.